When you search for smart wallets for men, everything looks the same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, RUNBOX Slim Wallet. This is the RUNBOX Slim Wallet, priced at just $9.99. What caught my attention is its RFID blocking technology and sleek design. If you want a wallet that combines style with security, this is worth a serious look. The RUNBOX Slim Wallet isn't just about looks, it's got some serious features. Plus, it has a super handy integrated money clip for holding cash without adding bulk. It's made from vegan leather, which feels great and ensures durability. With a solid 4.4-star rating from over 14,000 reviews and more than 2,000 sold just this month, people are clearly loving it. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you're always on the go and don't want to worry about your personal information being compromised, this wallet is a solid choice. Now, some people have mentioned that the lack of a closure can be a concern. Here's the thing though, while it might feel a bit risky, I found that the design keeps everything snug and in place. For someone who values simplicity and convenience, it's not really a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, stylish wallet that doesn't skimp on security. Skip this one if you prefer a wallet with a full closure and need extra compartments. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Now, if RUNBOX's minimalist design isn't your vibe, the next option takes a completely different approach with its pop-up function. Product number 2, RUNBOX Slim Card Holder. Next up is another RUNBOX product, the Slim Card Holder Wallet, which comes in at just $9.98. The pop-up function is a game changer and its ultra-thin design caught my eye. If you want a wallet that makes accessing your cards a breeze, this is worth checking out. This wallet holds up to 12 cards, which is impressive given its size. The patented pop-up mechanism allows you to press a button and watch your cards slide out in a stepped layout. This means no more fumbling around trying to find the right card. It also has military-grade RFID protection to keep your data safe from skimming devices. With a 4.5-star rating based on 4,200 reviews, it's clear that many users appreciate the innovation and practicality. Here's why this matters for you. If you're constantly pulling cards in and out, this design will save you time and effort. Some users did mention that it can feel a bit flimsy due to the lightweight materials. But honestly, I think that's a fair trade-off for the convenience and compactness. If you're not storing a ton of cash and just need something for cards, it's perfect. This is great for you if you want a sleek, minimalist wallet that simplifies card access. Skip this if you carry a lot of cash and prefer a more traditional wallet style. For the price, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those needing a sleeker design and security features. Product number 3, Double Bus RFID Wallet. Now let's talk about the Double Bus wallet, priced at just $8.47. The carbon fiber design and anti-loss feature really caught my attention. If you're someone who frequently misplaces your wallet, this one's for you. With its built-in AirTag slot, you can easily track your wallet's location through Apple's Find My app. At a rating of 4.6 stars from about 641 reviews, it's clear users appreciate its functionality. This is crucial because if you're often on the go or traveling, knowing your wallet is secure and trackable gives you peace of mind. However, some users did find the AirTag slot a bit restrictive because it doesn't come with an AirTag included. Here's the thing, if you're already an Apple user, this is a small investment for a huge benefit. For those who aren't into tech, it may feel unnecessary. This is perfect for you if you're tech-savvy and often misplace items. Skip this if you prefer a traditional wallet without tech features. For under $10, it's a fantastic deal. Now, if the tech integration of the Double Bus didn't quite hit the mark for you, the next option combines tradition with modern features in a unique way. Product number 4, Kayfalin Smart Wallet. Up next is the Kayfalin Smart Wallet, priced at $25.62. The pop-up mechanism and double ID windows really stood out. If you want a wallet that makes accessing your essential cards quick and easy, this one is definitely worth your attention. What's great about this wallet is its large capacity despite being slim. It can hold up to 12 cards and has a money clip for cash, which is really practical. The RFID blocking feature ensures your information stays safe from scanning devices, which is essential for modern life. Plus, with a 4.5-star rating from 1,800 reviews, people seem to love it. Here's why this matters. If you value efficiency and security, this wallet checks all those boxes. However, some reviews pointed out that the button mechanism can get stuck occasionally. I'll be real with you, while that can be annoying, it's a minor issue considering how much this wallet offers. If you handle it gently, you'll likely avoid this issue altogether. This is perfect for you if you need quick access to your cards and appreciate thoughtful design. Skip this if you dislike pop-up mechanisms and want something more straightforward. For the value it provides, it's a solid choice. Now, if you liked the idea of a pop-up but want something a bit more premium, the next product might catch your eye. Product number 5, Zalvex Pop-Up Wallet. Lastly, we have the Zalvex Pop-Up Wallet at $25.63. The combination of the ejection mechanism and RFID protection really grabbed my attention. If you want a wallet that prioritizes both style and functionality, this one is definitely worth considering. This wallet can hold up to 12 cards, and the clear ID window makes it easy to access your ID without removing it. The RFID blocking technology is a must-have in today's world, preventing unauthorized scanning. With a 4.5-star rating from over 5,400 reviews, it's clearly a favorite among users. Here's why this matters. If you want a blend of practicality and elegance, this wallet could be your go-to. However, some users have mentioned it can be a bit bulky compared to others on this list. Here's the thing though, it's still compact enough for front pocket carry, and the benefits might outweigh the slight bulk. This is perfect for you if you appreciate a sleek design with ample storage. Skip this if you're looking for the absolute thinnest option on the market. Considering its features, it offers solid value for the money. So to wrap it up, we've covered the RUNBOX Slim Wallet with its stylish security, the RUNBOX Slim Card Holder for quick access, the Double Bus Wallet with its tracking feature, the Kefalin Smart Wallet for efficiency, and the Zalvex Pop-Up Wallet for style and functionality. Each has its unique strengths, so pick the one that fits your needs best.